What is up, everybody? How are you doing? I wanted to show you a cool feature that myfitnesspal, which is how to add recipes all at once instead of adding ingredients one by one, and it all just kind of does it for you. So I am going to pull this recipe here. Portuguese kale soup is what we're going to use. And as you guys can see, this also has like a serving size of 2 if you follow these ingredients exactly. If you want more serving, you just if you want like 4 servings, you just double these ingredients. But for now, we're going to go with this. So I'm going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to copy. And then on MyFitnessPal, here, where are you? Boom. So if you're on MyFitnessPal here, you're going to go to food. And I'm doing this on the computer, by the way. And then you see where it says recipe, you're going to do recipe. And then you can put the website where the recipe is located, or you can add it manually. In this case, we're just going to add it manually. And you can just paste the ingredients here. Boom. So what MyFitnessPal does is it looks at it line by line to figure out what it can match it with. If any random thing is here, you can just kind of delete it, knowing that it's going to pick everything line by line. And the recipe says it's 2 servings of 2, so you change that to 2. And we're going to call this IdeaFit Portuguese Kale Soup. IdeaFit Keto. All right. And then the next step is to match ingredients. And it's going to try to match line by line. Match ingredients. All right. And then we're going to see here that it matched the ingredients 100%. Woo! Typically, if it cannot find something, you have to replace. If it's the wrong one or you can't find it, you have to replace, and then you can search to match it. But for now, we have 9 ingredients: olive, spices, onions, homemade broth, blase, 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 blase. All right? And then we can save it, or we can save and log it. But for now, let me just save and log it. I had this for today, for lunch, and then I had maybe I only had like half of a serving. Then I'll just put log it. Boom. All right. And then you guys see it right here. It automatically puts how much carbs is in it, how much protein, how much fats. And that is how you add a recipe in MyFitnessPal rather than doing it one by one. So I hope this helps you guys with tracking of some of the customized recipes that's in the meal plan. This makes it so much easier. You guys see, it took me like less than 30 seconds, maybe a minute. But then the good thing is you only have to do it once, and then you can reuse it over and over and over again. Like for example, I can say add food, and you can do this on your phone, and then I can just look up recipes here, and then boom, I can select it and I can add it. Very easy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Peace.